Have you ever recorded your voice or joined a call and realized your microphone sounds extremely quiet, even though everything looks fine? Many people think their microphone is broken, but the real problem is usually a hidden settings inside Windows. In this video, I'll show you how to boost your microphone volume and fix low mic input on Windows 10 and 11 so people can hear you loud and clear. So if you're someone who is experiencing low mic quality, here is what you need to do. Now go to the search section on your PC and search for control panel. Go ahead and open the control panel. Now once opened, here you want to find sound. Click on open sounds. It will bring you here. Here you want to click on recording to show microphone. On the current mic you're using, you will see a check mark on it. You'll also be able to change your microphones in this section. Now what I want you to do is double click on the mic and it should bring you here. You want to go ahead and click on levels in this section and you see your microphone and microphone boost. You can go ahead and increase the microphone and then boost the microphone. Now take a listen each time to see if there is any improvement in your mic quality. If this still doesn't work for some reason, you can go back to general and then you want to click on properties here. Under properties here you want to click on driver. And if you need to update your driver, you will see driver will be clickable in this section. You will need to click on update drivers and Windows will help you search and install the current available driver for your device. You still have access to these settings from your system. Now what you want to do is go to the search section and search for settings. Now open settings on your PC. And once settings is opened, you want to click on sound. In the sound section, you want to scroll down to input and you see microphone. You'll be able to boost your mic in this section. Now you can also go back and then you want to scroll down till you find troubleshoot. If that doesn't work, click on troubleshoot and here you want to click on other troubleshooters. Here you want to scroll down till you find recording audio. Click on run. And this will help you troubleshoot any problem that is currently wrong with your microphone. If there's anything wrong with your microphone, it will also help you fix it. Select your mic in this section and then click on next. If there's any problem, it will also let you know if there's anything wrong with your microphone. If this doesn't work, there's other ways you can still boost your mic, and that is by installing an application that will help you do so. Open your browser. And then in the search section, you want to search for Equalizer APO. Go ahead and open the first link here. And it will bring you here. Now on this page, you want to click on download. And then wait for the countdown. Now go ahead and save the file. And then once downloaded, you want to run the file. Now go ahead and click on next, click on I agree, and then in the destination folder, you can change the destination folder to any folder you want, but by default, it will be stored in your C drive under program files. Click on next here, and then click on next again. Click on install, and then select the device for which Equalizer APO will be installed. Now here under capture devices, you'll find all your available microphone. You want to select your device microphone and then click on OK. Click on OK here and then click on OK. Once installation is finished, go ahead and click on finish. You may need to restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you want to go ahead and open your file explorer. Once opened, you want to go to your local disk. Within your local disk, you want to find your program files. Open this. And within your program files, you want to find the Equalizer APO folder. Go ahead and open this. In the folder, you want to find editor. Go ahead and double click on editor to open the application. If you see Equalizer APO has not been installed to the selected device, click on no in this section and it will bring you here. Now once you're here in the device section here, you want to click here to the drop down and then choose microphone. You'll also be able to find other microphone if you selected it during installation in this section. In the channel configuration, you want to click on the drop down here and select stereo, and then you're good to go. You see pre-amplification in this section. Now by default it is set to -6. I will recommend taking it to -3, as the more you boost your mic, the lower the quality will be. You can do this by adjusting on this knob, or you can use the arrow in this section. Once you're done with any changes, you want to come to the file section here at the top left corner and then click on save. Now take a listen each time to see if there is any improvement to your mic quality. Now if for some reason you do not find pre-amplification, I'm going to take this away, and you can do this by clicking on the remove button here. Click on the drop down and then click on remove. You can then add pre-amplification by clicking on the plus icon and then coming to basic filters, and then you see preamp. Click on this and it will be added here. You can then make adjustments. At any point you want to uninstall the application, you want to go back to the Equalizer APO folder, and then within the folder you want to scroll till you find uninstall. Double click on this and then proceed to uninstall the application. You can choose to reboot after uninstallation, or you can choose to do it manually. Once you're done, click on finish and the application will be uninstalled from your device. So if this helps you out, do make sure to like this video, share to anyone who would need this video, subscribe to this channel and have the post notification turned on.